Where there's colorful flowers and yummy leaves, you're sure to find critters that want to eat them.
Snails love feeding on your plants and can destroy your precious seedlings at night. Snails thrive in shady spots, wet soil, and warmer temperatures. On hot sunny days, they hide in the leaves of the plants, under pots, in compost heaps, or in the cracks in between the paving. But at night, or in the early mornings, or in foggy, overcast, rainy days, they crawl out looking for food. They can leave a trail of destruction, so here are a few tricks that'll help you stop them in their slimy tracks. Avoid watering your plants in the afternoon or in the evening. Instead, water them early in the morning. Give the soil time to dry during the day, therefore deterring snails from moving in. Regularly inspect plants for snail activity. Look for slimy trails, ragged holes in leaves, or walk around your garden with a torch at night and remove any snails you spot. And finally, place an eco-friendly snail trap which doesn't contain anything harmful to wildlife but uses beer or yeast to attract the snails. They are compact, reusable, and blend in nicely into the garden. By following these steps, you will effectively control snails and enjoy a beautiful, lush garden.